Welcome back to the Siam Center Law Group podcast. This is your host, Barrister Garn. Today, we're discussing an important topic about court procedures in Thailand, techniques for asking the court to record the speech of a witness in the courtroom. In the Thai court system, a witness's testimony is typically captured using a tape recorder operated by the presiding judge. The judge selects the parts they believe are relevant to the case and records their voice accordingly. Once the hearing concludes, this recording is sent to court officers who transcribe it. However, this practice can occasionally lead to issues, especially if the judge determines certain parts of the testimony or lawyer's questions are not relevant to the case and chooses not to record them. As a lawyer, if you are convinced that your questions and the witness's responses are pertinent to your case, here are some strategies you can employ to ensure these testimonies are recorded. 1. Explain the relevance. Clearly explain to the judge how your questions and the witness's responses relate to the issues in the case. However, do this discreetly to prevent the opposing party from grasping your strategy. 2. Change the line of questioning. If the judge initially refuses to record the responses, switch to other questions temporarily. As you probe different angles, the judge may start to comprehend the significance of your initial line of questioning. Once this happens, revisit your original questions. The judge might be more inclined to record the responses then. 3. Inform the judge about the duration and number of questions. If the court persistently declines to record your witness's testimony, inform the judge about the number of remaining questions and the time you need to ask them. 4. File a petition. If the court still refuses to record crucial witness testimonies, file a petition on the same day objecting to the court's decision. This step will help avoid future disputes over whether such testimonies were given or not. 5. Stand firm. Lastly, remember that as an attorney, it is important not to fear offending the judge. A good lawyer must have a stand and should be willing to advocate for what they believe is right. If an attorney fears offending the judge, the one who suffers the most is the client. In conclusion, navigating the courtroom procedures in Thailand requires knowledge, skill, and a firm stand. These techniques can be vital in ensuring important testimonies are recorded and taken into consideration. That's all for this episode. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more insights into Thailand's legal system on future episodes of the Siam Center Law Group podcast. Until then, this is Barrister Garn, signing off.